After the law was adopted, British media carried massive reports and comments, which, to be frank, are full of misinterpretation, misunderstanding, and even distortion. The UK side knows well that Hong Kong is no longer under its colonial rule, and that Hong Kong has returned to China and is now part of China. UK has no sovereignty, jurisdiction, or right of supervision over Hong Kong after handover. The UK government keeps making irresponsible remarks on Hong Kong affairs through its so-called 6-monthly report on Hong Kong, make unwarranted accusations against the national security law for Hong Kong SAR, and even talks about changing the arrangement for British national overseas passport holders in Hong Kong. These moves constitute a gross interference in China's internal affairs and openly trample on the basic norms governing international relations. The Chinese side has lodged solemn representation to the UK side to express its grave concern and the strong opposition. One important task of the national security law for Hong Kong SAR is to prevent, suppress, and punish collusion with a foreign country or with external elements to endanger national security. No one should underestimate the firm determination of China to safeguard its sovereignty, security, and development interests.